All right, Mason, I want you blitzing these on the second lap. Woo! Yeah, I guess they're probably closed off. Those are probably for Supercross training.
All right, I'm rolling everything first lap.
You think so? You think you'll be able to roll everything on the first lap? Oh, we got Huskies! Woof, woof. How about this, guys? Brand new track, never been here before, never checked this place out before. I've seen it on YouTube, I've seen it on Instagram. I think I've seen it in magazines too. There's been pros out here riding before at this track. It's maybe a little bit above our skill level, but that's all right. Still having fun. We got Bryson over here. His dad says this is his first time riding a 250F, so it's cool seeing him. He's hitting everything, no problem. And then kids are warming up. They're seeing if maybe there's something they might want to hit too.
Dude, I'm hitting the table. Which one? Where the whoops, like where they're cut off. Yeah, dude, I'm stretching it so hard, I'm barely making it. I'm like third mid and you'd have to be fourth on the super mini. Really? Yeah, I'm fourth and I just have to give it everything I got because I can't get wide out of that roller, so I just have to give it everything all the way until I take off. That thing is so hard on the 85.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep doing it.
Okay, do you want to try this one?
Oh, no.
No?
No, I was watching Bryson and I'm like, dang, he's going pretty slow for this one. And I was watching him and I'm like, he's going really fast for this one.
Okay.
He's actually going really fast to hit this.
Okay.
So I don't want to try it. What? What? Yes, I did it. I already told you I did it. Is it hard? Yeah, it's really hard. Here, go watch me do it. You want to try it? The one before it is really fun too.
What?
That one is really fun too.
Okay, I'll get some shots over there and on this one more time.
Okay, this one's just super hard to hit because of this roller. I wonder if I seat bounced it, if it would be easier.
Yeah, just make sure it doesn't kick you over the bars.
Well, that's what I'm worried about.
Also, guys, Mason is over here in the truck right now. I'm gonna duck down and see if I can get shielded from the wind. But Mason was riding really good. He did the first couple laps and I didn't get footage of it, but he was riding really good until he took a tumble, endoed, he somehow broke his front number plate, his clutch perch, and his front brake perch. Like, how do you do that? In one crash, you break both levers on both sides? Bummer, he actually ripped the cable out of his clutch, and I don't even know, I'll have to look at it later. I don't know if I'm gonna have to order a whole new one or if it's fixable or what, but anyways, that's why Mason's not riding, but Luke and Lillian are doing pretty good though. Lillian out here, first time on the 125. She's riding Bryson's bike. This is kind of funny because the last two bikes that she has had have been Bryson's. We bought his 85 and then we bought his Super Mini. Both bikes worked out really good. They rode great. She did really good on them. I don't know, what do you think? Should we buy Bryson's 125 too? Should we buy that bike also? So far, I don't know if he's gonna sell it though.
It's too heavy. Come on.
Heavy, just leave it there.
Come on, I can't pick it up. This is why Lillian doesn't want a 125. Because, oh no, it's handguard. Shh.
Fix it.
Don't tell Bryson. Yeah, I won't be able to pick this up if I tip it over. It's so fun to rail these.
It's fun?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this dirt's so good.
It's like sand.
I know. Super soft. Perfect for blasting.
I know.
Bryson, thanks so much for inviting us out. You made it look easy out there.
Thank you.
Hitting all those doubles, they look super easy. I think once they're done, my kids will hit them too, once they're filled in and flat. But thank you very much. And Bryson was telling me that we are his favorite YouTube family of all time. He was letting me know that. He says it's not even close, like no one's even close to us. So because of that, we want to give you this.
Thank you.
It's a t-shirt. You can open it up if you want. It might be dirty.
Oh, nice.
So there you go. We appreciate it as always. And if you ever want to sell your 125, let us know, all right?
Yeah, thanks for letting me ride it.
Yeah, thanks a lot.